Hello and welcome. You have started Sahaja Yoga meditation. Fantastic.
Really great choice. In today's episode, we are going to show you paper burning, a very simple and powerful technique to clear out lingering issues in our system.
All you need is some plain paper and a pen.
And a candle, and then something safe to burn the paper in. As always, before we begin any treatment, any clearing technique, we center ourselves and we raise our kundalini and put a bandhan.
Beautiful. Now, if there is something that has been sitting with you mentally, emotionally, physically, this is the moment where you can gently bring it to the light. Take your blank piece of paper and write down the issue in just a few words. Be honest and simple. Whatever comes up first is often the most relevant. For example, feeling stuck and not knowing where to go, or comparing myself to everyone else.
Or the pressure to always be okay. Or that pain in your back that's not going away.
Or if you always feel tired, no matter how much you sleep. Once you have written it down, you draw a bandhan around your words. You start in the center and slowly spiral outwards, drawing 7 smooth circles.
As you draw the 7 circles, let the spirals flow without the lines touching each other. It's a bit like wrapping up the issue, cocooning it in good energy, offering it up and letting it go.
This simple act allows us to step back from our problem. We are not denying it, we are just choosing not to be defined by it. And the energy of the bandhan helps neutralize the attachment. So the issue no longer holds our attention in the same way.
Once the paper is ready, we burn it. Ideally outside, and we never directly look at the flame, please. If we need to do it inside, it's best to open a window and give the negativity a way out.
And when everything is burnt, you just discard the ashes.
So now let's look at some frequently asked questions about this technique and see how can we integrate this into our daily practice.
Do I have to wait until I feel really bad to do this?
Not at all. There is great benefit to clearing things out when they're subtle and just little things in our system.
Can I write more than one thing?
Yes, definitely. Different ways to go about it. You can write 1 piece of paper per issue. Definitely easier to make the 7 circles then. Or you take a bigger piece of paper and write all of them on one sheet and put them inside of 1 bandhan.
How often should I do this?
Some people like having a routine, and let's say they do it weekly. Other people wait till they feel that this is the right technique to use right now. Use your inner sense to guide you when is the right time for you.
Does this really work?
Most people find it very effective. It goes back to you need to try it, you need to give it time to take effect and see what works for you. It's not it's not just the pen and paper, it's the attention, it's our intention, and it helps establish a connection in the subtle system.
And you will realize with time, it gets much easier to let go. Even small acts like that will shift something inside of you. And it will let back the joy, the clarity, and the peace into your system again.
If we haven't answered all of your questions, please just leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from you, and we'll get back to you. And thank you for joining us today. We hope this paper burning treatment makes you feel lighter and more connected to yourself.
And as always, we would like you to try it out and see how it feels for you. Your own experience will guide you.
Please join us for the next episode of
Meditation Made Simple.
Tips, tricks, and tools.
Bye.